guys, back with another video here. Today we're doing a Nerf war against little Tommy and my sister. Let's go. Okay, we're going to wait till he's ready. So, on the channel, this is the first Nerf gun thing in the channel. As you can hear Sarah's voice. Oh, it's really creaky, isn't it? So, I just want to have enough war with him and my sister, and I got Shotty. There you go. Yeah, so I'm going to wait till little Tommy's ready because...
Start in a second. Right, camera in place. Everybody ready?
Not ready yet.
Okay, so let's do. Get ready to start.
Wait, I'm trying to... How do I get the camera?
Right, everybody ready?
No, not yet.
Yeah. Finish it. What are you? You know how to work cameras? There you go.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Okay.
Everybody ready?
Yeah, ready.
2, 1, go! Bang! Oh.
Bang, bang.
Oh! Bang!
So let's go bang, 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 bang,
Bang!
bang.
Okay, guys. Bang!
Okay, guys.
One of them has a shotgun, one of them has an Uzi.
This is really serious. Bang, bang, bang. Guys, it's so serious. Bang, bang, bang,
Oh,
bang, bang,
bang!
bang.
Oh my gosh! This is harder than I thought.
Bang!
Oh, I just shot him in the arm!
Bang, bang, bang.
Oh my! Okay, I got it.
Bang!
Oh my! Bang! Bang! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my.
Bang!
It goes bang.
Bang! My gun! It's my gun!
Bang, bang, bang. Okay, she's down, she's down. Got one down.
Shot in the head!
Bang! Oh my! Bang! 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 Oh, oh. Bang!
Okay, guys.
Bang! 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 Headshot, Jets! Bang! Bang! We did it.
Please like and subscribe if you want to see more on the channel.
Jets, Zach,
Right.
won the Nerf
For
war.
this video.
That's it. Peace out.
Bye, everybody.
Bibbly bop. Bibbly bop. Blah boo.